In this video, I'm showing you how to turn your services into products, automate payments like clockwork, and give your business superpowers most people haven't discovered yet. Miss this and you will keep working harder while others scale smarter. Running a service-based business presents its own set of challenges, particularly when it comes to streamlining bookings and managing payments without friction. And we know the headache, and we came up with a solution that your business needs: Fluent Bookings and WooCommerce integration. By combining these two powerful tools, you can turn your appointment calendar in the same way you would sell products, all while enjoying the flexibility of WooCommerce, vast payment and fulfillment features. Welcome again to another exciting Fluent Booking video. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable WooCommerce integration inside Fluent Booking, how to connect your services to WooCommerce products, what benefits does this setup unlock for your business, whether you are a therapist, coach, or consultant. This upgrade can simplify your scheduling, streamline payments, and improve the overall client experience. So let's dive in. Here's my WordPress dashboard, and I'm just heading to the Fluent Booking. As you can see, here's my Fluent Booking analytics. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just head over to the settings, and then I'll go to the advanced features and add-ons. So you will see an option that level WooCommerce integrations. It is not enabled, so just switch it on. If you don't see the WooCommerce integration toggle, first check that the WooCommerce plugin is installed and activated on your site, because it's crucial. Okay, so just switch it on. So now you can see setting updated successfully. And by turning this on, you are telling Fluent Booking to work hand in hand with WooCommerce, opening the door to order tracking, email receipts, and multiple payment options. And you can also get all the perks of WooCommerce, to tailor-made for appointments. Okay, so now I'm just going to the WooCommerce to add a new product, because I just want to link it to one of my calendar. So just go to the products of WooCommerce and just head to the add new product. Okay, so I'm just giving my product name. Suppose it would be book for business. You may have your specific product, so just do that. So in the product description, I just created my description, so I'm just gonna paste it in there. I already created. Okay, and product data, simple product, and the regular price would be $199. So here is the product short description. If you want to add short description, you can add over here. You can also add a media file or images. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a short description for that. Nice. So you can also categorize your product. Okay, you can also uncategorized, and product tags are already over here. You can also add product images from there. Okay, just add your product image if you want to add. Nice. So once that's all in place, you just need to hit publish. Okay, you can also save it in a draft mode. You can also preview it from there. Okay, just hit publish right now. Okay, so my product is already published. As you can see that my product is already ready. So let's connect it to the Fluent Booking calendar. Just go to the calendars, and I want to connect the product with this calendar. As you can see, if you want to customize your calendar a bit, you can do this from here. Okay, I think I have already connected my settings and everything. So just scroll down to the payment settings. If I click on the payment settings, here as you can see, the enable this event as paid and collect payment on booking. So now I just need to enable the paid event. Okay, so just click on that. After clicking, you can see, as you can see, there is two checkout method came across. So I will use WooCommerce checkout. Okay, definitely. And from there, you can select your WooCommerce product. So I'm going to select my WooCommerce product that I want to link to my calendar. Okay, so just hit save changes. Okay, one thing you need to do is just head over to the WooCommerce product. Okay, so now one thing is very important, that I need to choose a payment method. I didn't choose earlier, so that's why I'm going to the payments, and I'm going to add Stripe payment. Okay. US. Okay. Here, as you can see, the Stripe payments. I'm just going to install it. As you can see, it's installing. Okay, so as you can see, my Stripe payment method is already installed. Okay, so to make sure everything is working, I have to visit the live calendar page and run a test booking. So how this flow looks like this, I just hit share and go to the landing page, just hit view now. So now I can select a time slot. Okay, just hit next, give a name, client email for that. Okay, just hit schedule meeting. Okay, so your client is now redirected to the WooCommerce checkout page where they can actually, enter billing info, choose a payment method like Stripe or PayPal or any suitable payment method, and also they can apply a discount coupon over here. If there is any discount going on, they can also enter the code. Okay. So now, as you can see already, your client information is here. Okay, nice. Just shipping options free. Now I'm going to give the personal card information. If you want to save payment information for the future purchase, your client can also do that. Okay, just hit place order. So as you can see, the order is received. Every details are over here. Okay, so now the checkout flow feels familiar and trustworthy, right? So helping you reduce drop-offs and ensure upfront payments. Okay, so let's check the backend management. So go to the FluentBooking. Okay, and okay, so you will find all the payment details, including the WooCommerce order ID. If I click on the view details, as you can see, all the available information is there. And everything, the payment options, billing address, shipping address, and everything is okay now. Okay. So from there, you can also send a confirmation email. You can also mark as completed. You can also reschedule from there. Okay, so as you can see, your payment is completed. Okay. In the WooCommerce, you can also go to the orders. If I go to the WooCommerce, if I go to the orders, you'll see payment info, order status, and everything. Okay. Everything is over there. So where is my phone booking? And just go to the bookings. And here is the view details again here. So you will gain a unified view of your schedule and earnings. So it's great for tracking, accounting, and client follow-up. Still wondering why this combo is powerful? Let me tell you, here's what you unlock. Sell sessions like products with full WooCommerce flexibility. Accept multiple payment methods with ease, and use WooCommerce plugins for coupons, subscriptions, and analytics. Offer a professional experience that builds trust. And this is perfect for basically a therapist offering private and package sessions, maybe a coach managing recurring client calls, a legal consultant running a paid consultations, or maybe a nutritionist selling diet plans plus follow-up sessions. So no more chasing payments or juggling calendars. It's all connected and automated. And that's how you integrate FluentBooking with WooCommerce, turning your scheduling process into a full-featured sales system. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop your question in the comments, and subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.